Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk about is styles. Some primitive have styles, also known as presets. Okay, so for example, if I click on this button and I want to change the style, I'll just choose a different style. Okay, you can see that it has a lot of varieties already, and you can also set your own custom style by clicking custom and then customize it to whatever you want. You want to make it yellow, go right ahead. Everything is available for you here. Okay, whatever you want. I like to use theme colors because then the design is much more interesting, much more harmonious with everything else. Okay. Okay. So how do you edit those things? You see, you have a link here. Edit the styles. You click on it. It will open this theme. This is a theme feature, and you can see here in the tab it says styles, and you click on buttons, and then you get all the different variants here. Right now we're using ghost, so it opened the ghost one. You can see I have a little bug here. When I hover, I can barely see the text, so I'm going to fix that. So hover color right now is very dark, so I'm going to change it to something lighter. That's also not good enough. Okay, that's better. Or I can just simply choose like a secondary color, let's say, on hover. Okay, the point is that I can come here and I can edit this button, and because it's a custom theme, it will remember it. Okay, I can also edit any of the other variants. Now, these are the items that, or the elements that are the same in all of the styles: the topography, the padding, the corner radius, and the shadow. Okay, this doesn't change from one variant to the other. And this is useful because then you can put them one next to each other and they don't look completely like from different words. Okay, all right, so now you have all these variety of buttons. You can also add new ones. You can add a custom one, and you can say maybe the background you want it to be, I don't know, blue. Then you got to give it a name, so you remember. Let's say blue. And now every time it's going to be here. You see it's already here, and now you can just have it there, so you can reuse it again and again. Okay, so that's the button variants or presets or style, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now let's talk about the text. Text also has variants. This is a text primitive. You see, I click on it. It's a text primitive. If you're like designing a page and you need like big, so you're going to choose hero statement or section title. For cards, card title is good, eyebrow is good, paragraph is mostly for body, fine text is for smaller body text, tag is for something that looks a little bit like a button, and quote if you want to quote something. Or you can set up again the custom settings, the custom style. Okay, in this case I'm going to leave it as a card title. That was perfect. And now if I want to change the style, I'll just go here, edit the styles, and I will see it here. And now you can see all the ones that we already talked about: the card title, eyebrows. For example, the card title, let's say the topography right now is using the base heading. Let's just say I want to use something else. Let's say this one. If I change it here, it will change it not just here, but everywhere that is using this style around the app. It's going to change it. You change it once, and it's going to change it everywhere. So it's very useful. Okay, let's say I don't want it to be bold. You see, I change it here, it changes everywhere, and in all other pages as well. Okay, that's why we created this feature, so that you don't have to go and change it manually everywhere. You just change it once, and you're good to go. Now I have to say I don't like this blue button here. I'm going to choose ghost, and then let's see what happens when I switch a theme. I have many themes to choose from, and basically you can decide what color you need, what color you want. Okay, and you can see also that the shadow is changing, the colors are changing, the fonts. And you don't just change just the color, you change a lot of things when you switch to a different theme. Okay, that's it. Thank you.